Hey guys, this unboxing of the Midland MXT 575 just got in the mail. I ordered the 6-meter antenna cable, the ghost antenna, also an extension for the microphone. This RJ45 extension. Also order a mount for the antenna to install it on the driver's side from Mojave JT Gladiator. So I'm thinking somewhere over here. Okay, let me see what else. Also, I'm gonna be using this splitter from the cigarette lighter, because I don't want to splice any wires or anything like that, and just trying to do a clean install. Okay, comes with a manual, comes with a microphone. It's a Cat 5E connection, comes with a power cord, comes with an antenna, but I'm not going to be using that. This is antenna wire with a magnet mount. Nope. The only thing I'll be using is the Midland Radio. I wanted this one because I could hide this one. I don't want it in plain sight. So, thinking of somewhere where to put it. Oops. So, probably gonna mount whatchamacallit, the jack connection right here, and then I'm gonna hide it in there somewhere or over here. I'm not for sure. Stay tuned. Yep. Really nice. Got rubber here to flip it, depending if you want a snug fit. So what I did is I put some type of Velcro right here. I put a Velcro right here, that way the soft part, not the hard part, the soft part of the Velcro. And then when I connect it, it's a snug fit. Because it comes bare metal. But the thing is that when you put it on there and you're off the road, it may come off. So I was trying to prevent that, and now, okay. I'm gonna put it here. So it's gonna look something like this. I can either put it here or here. Maybe here. Spin it really quick. Okay, so I'm trying not to screw right here, but it doesn't reach, so I need the one they gave me. Fortunately, painting is gonna look kind of the same. So we need to remove this plastic piece here, because I need to get into a cigarette lighter to connect a splitter. Disconnect this one first. And then this one. So let's use some of that. I know you guys are pretty wondering. This guy is putting everything back premature. Well, that's just the way I like doing things. And if I need to take it out again, it's not a problem. Just want to see how everything fits. Pretty nice right there. Alrighty. Now onto the where I'm gonna mount the Midland Radio. I think I'm gonna mount it up here like everybody else. Get some Velcro. Be right back. Alrighty, this like that, and then this is something like it's gonna be connected right here. Something right here like this. This is the cover to put the car on neutral when it's being towed. They take this part out, and then there's an orange string inside there. I'm trying to focus. Okay. There's an orange string inside there, and you pull that. Let's see if I can see it. This orange string right here, you pull that, and the car goes on neutral. Yep. So the piece that I want to mount on there is this RJ45 Extension. Like 3/4. Like 3/4. So we just need to make. Alrighty. Got this little cutout tool by Milwaukee. I'm gonna give this a tap. Let's see. How do I turn this on? That was a piece of cake. Let me get a fouler to smooth it out. Alrighty, I found it. Move this over here before I get stabbed. Okay, so pull that out a little bit. Fish that like that. Okay. It's got to come out through the driver's side because apparently this extension wire is not long enough. Gotta come out to the driver's side. Tuck it. then you connect it here. Just like that. Then you hide the wire there. Push that in. And that's it. Okay, make sure this is on correctly. Here. I need the light. Get this plug. Right there. They're very nice. Make sure I tighten all the screws again. Okay. Put a little bracket back on. Alrighty, I finished. Here's the finished product. Look pretty nice. Radio. Works. It's finding for other